Hi. Hello. Hello, mommies. If you've seen me recently in this channel, I'm Sheila. And I feel like I need to explain myself because suddenly there's this person who's appearing here in this channel. And that is because I am actually the person who's running it right now. Because if you've been here for a while, you'll know that this channel used to be called Mommy Hacks and Mommy Manual, which was a show that was hosted by Cheka Kramer and Rica Peralejo Bonifacio. Long ago, it aired on national TV. Practically, I'm the person behind it. So, ako po yung writer, TV director, and kung ano-ano pa nung noon. And recently, naisip ko, why not reactivate it? So, we started posting fresh content. Yung passion ko kasi for really connecting and sharing stories, learning together, and just this whole motherhood journey. Hindi pa ako nagkakaanak. Parang ano talaga, there's this passion in me. So that said, anong problema ko, di ba? Wala naman dapat. Pero actually, there's also so many reasons why I am discouraged to do it. Because, number one, I'm an introvert, so hindi ako masyadong sanay sa ganito. But that's my problem, not yours. So, that's issue number one. Issue number two, this will take a lot of my time. So, busy na nga sa pagiging mommy. Tapos ito pa, di ba? Third problem, si Meta, hindi talaga siya nagbabayad daw na maganda ngayon. And actually, sa dami rin ng mga nagka-content, mahirap din naman, di ba talaga? So, until now, actually hanggang ngayon, parang feeling ko, why am I even doing this? But you know what? If there's anything that compels me to do this, I'm in my motherhood era right now. And I have questions also. Kasi hindi ko naman alam kung anong sagot sa lahat ng problema at mga challenges ng pagiging nanay, di ba? I also enjoy learning from other people. And hearing other people's stories. And just the whole journey, na-enjoy ko siya. Kasama dun yung mga nakakatawang parts, nakakaiyak at nakakatawang parts. I fully embrace that right now. And so, sayang naman if I won't be able to share my learnings with you. Siguro, my key takeaway from this pag-iisip, from this overthinking, is there are more important things than money. And one of it is, legacy. Just to be able to share valuable content, insights, inspire other people, and just be a friend and karamay ng other moms, diba? That's really more important than just money. I don't know, para siyang Miss Universe, no? Pero, totoo yun, it comes from my heart. We need more valuable contents now more than ever. The world needs more substance. So, malamok, ano? If you are also discouraged like me to put out content, kasi nga, ang dami naman ano pa ba? Ano pa ba i-offer ko, diba? So, that's exactly the intruder syndrome that I'm talking about. All of our experiences are different. Hindi tayo pare-pareho. So, hindi rin tayo pare-pareho na i-share. And that makes our lives quite unique from each other. And so, if we just send our messages out there, somehow, may matutulungan naman tayo. And even if we are not here in this world na, the ones we put on the internet is our legacy. And that alone is a big encouragement for me to just do it. Diba?